What is this? Weird. Some kind of stone element. I don't know what it is. No. Oh, there it is again. There's a dry form of it. I think concrete is the street name for it. There's some more right there. Right there. And some ice near it. I don't know. Oh, there it is again. It's so weird. And there's a locked door. Come on, Zeus, let's go inside. Zeus! Come on! Let's go inside. Enough of this slow-mo crap, let's go outside. Go potty. Go potty, it's nice outside, dude. That it is. It's supposed to be sunny like for the next week. In other places I've lived, always raining in March. But nope, that's the summertime for us. Zeus, get the tennis ball. Where's it at? Zeus, ready? Dude, where'd that come from? I don't know. Where'd it come from, Zeus? Why? You want a treat? Come on, let's go. Want it? Here. Oh God. Did it. Go. 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 Guess who has to clean out their iPhone so they can do iOS 5.1 on their phone? This guy. So now I have to clear out pictures and videos and stuff. Probably just videos because those take up a lot of space. So yeah, gotta clean it out a little bit. Maybe clean out some songs. I don't know. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. First update that I'm doing with my iOS device. There's 5.1. Boom. Battery life, yes. So I guess all the battery life is fixed now. Camera shortcut, alright. Camera face detection on everyone. Good. Let's update. Boop. I just said boop to click something. Agree. Okay. Why did I even put disagree? It's like, I disagree. Well, then you can't update. No. They should just be like, I agree that you can sell my soul to the devil if you want to. Click. That's like the biggest lie in the world. I accept the terms of service. No, you don't. I accepted to download the app. When I went to sleep last night, this video, I'm sure you guys have seen it. It is absolutely viral now. Yeah, that had, what, 50,000, well, 60,000 likes. The view counter was froze, basically, whenever I went to bed. This morning, it had 1 million views whenever I checked on it again, or like 1.5. Now it's up to 10 million views. 10 million views, 700k likes. Like, oh man, it's insane. Comments by the second, like 2, 3, 4, 10 comments a second. That is insane. And it's all a good cause and everything. I like it, you know. The internet is like huge and everything, and like things that we're on every single day, Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, all of this, it's getting out there. YouTube, through YouTube. It's crazy, you know. I can't believe something that I use every day is causing such a big change, or starting to cause a big change, you know. Getting it out there, you know, for officials to see and everything like that, to stop what's going on over there in Uganda. It's crazy. If you guys haven't seen it, if you haven't been on the internet for like the past day or two, then link down there. I'm sure you can also see it on Twitter. I've tweeted it out about twice now. It's the second highest trending topic on Twitter, so hashtag stop Connie. So if you guys haven't seen it, it's down in the description below. If you haven't seen it, please take every single bit of the 29 minute and 59 seconds that it is. Yes, I know that's kind of a long video, but just sit through the 1,799 seconds to watch it, you know. It's an amazing video, so watch it. It's down below if you haven't seen it. Yeah, down there. It's on the front page of YouTube too, so if I for some reason am lazy, which is likely, just go right here. Hang on. Go to browse. And it is right there. Just right there. Yeah. Just right there in the spotlight. Just watch it and share it. Do anything you can to get the word out. So, yeah. Hurry up! Ah! Hurry! Hurry! Go, go, go! Go, 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 go. See, I was saying go to the music. Hurry up! It's verified. It's from Apple on an Apple thing. Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Did it died? Oh, there's a little bar under it now. Okay, I see how you are. Focus. Yeah, there we go. And then I got the white balance. Hooray! Hooray! Not you. 1.37 terabytes free. Yo! I want to see the new iOS. It might be amazing. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? You gonna focus? No? Okay. Yeah, I guess while we wait, we're gonna go get a soda. I have that song stuck in my head now. Is that spaghetti? Yes, that is spaghetti. If it's good, I might have to eat it. Maybe. Do we have any apples? That picture I just took that I showed you guys, I want to see if we have a real one. I'll take a bite out of it and then put it right next to it and be like, apples for days. What is this? Look at that old stripe. Look, a perfectly sunny day and no one to spend it with. Oh, this sucks. Dude, it's like I'm outside. Nope. Ha ha ha. I lied. Ah, it's coming off. Wait. Ouch. Is this done? It is. Oh, look at that. WTF? What? Wait, I know you guys saw that. 4G. I wonder if that's true. I mean, this phone is able to do 4G speeds. Okay, upon syncing my phone and updating to iOS 5.1, I get this. So it's a really blurry video of Teddy. It's just him looking. Like, what? Not even a second. Like, what's the point? I see, it's like a corrupt video or something. I don't even know how I got there, what the point of it was. Alright, you guys know how I took that clip like 2 hours ago or so, the Coney video? That is insane. It's up to 11.6 now. Dang. Well, I know what I'm doing on Friday. Look at how far the aurora is supposed to be down to. That is crazy. We're like dead center in that thing. And it covers like all of Alaska. Any viewers down maybe a little north, Washington, Idaho, all these like Midwestern and upper Midwestern states, you're going to be able to see them. Parts of the Northeast going to be able to see them. And if you're lucky, on the horizon, like all the way down to like the southern tip of Illinois. So any of you guys out there like Chicago, you might be able to see it. Like, that is insane. I should be able to see them for like the next 3 days starting tonight, because the aurora is, tonight is supposed to be a 4, tomorrow a 5, Friday a 6, and then Saturday should be a 3, but I've seen, like, the last time I saw the aurora, it was a 2, which normally, when you get a 2, it doesn't go anywhere south of Fairbanks usually, but for some reason, I'm like, the aurora! So, yeah, I don't know. Sometimes they have their big moments and just randomly sneak up on you. So, I should be able to see them. Oh my god, there's birds. Those are birds. Where'd they go? When was there ever birds in Alaska when there's like 50 inches of snow outside? But yeah, sidetracked. Anyways, sorry for scaring you. The aurora, I should see them for the next 3 days, and it is supposed to be sunny, like, way into the end of spring break, so, beautiful spring break, again, because it's March, so, a lot to do. For those of you who want to know if you're coming up to Alaska or something like that to see the aurora, then come here March or September. Just a little advice. Don't come during the summer because it's too bright to see them. See, only cloudy days on Thursday, and it's supposed to be warm. Here's the story for it, the CNN story, so yeah. I will link it to you guys on Twitter, or, well, not only on Twitter, but yeah, in the description down below. A lot of things to link today. Okay, I'm gonna go work out. BRB. I thought while I was down here I would show you guys. Yeah, I've been reading the comments about how I might need a spotter and everything, but, not exactly true. Alright, here is this bar right here, and there's the spotter bar, which lines up with my chest. Ooh. So I'll demonstrate for you guys. Oops. What? So it doesn't hit my chest. And we just get under there. Push it back up. Thanks for carrying, though. Of course, I am trying to look for the aurora, and it is really like insanely foggy outside. Let me see if I can show you guys through here. Oh, dang it. Okay. No, I can't. Okay, maybe if I turn the ISO up. Okay, well, I'll take a picture for you guys. Watch. Turn the ISO up. Okay, yeah. It is 12:50 in the morning. I'm gonna go to bed. Yeah. Night. Blah.